What's up, survivors? It's your Sista-SoulSurvivor here at the Godspeed Resort, having a happy and a good new year with my beautiful, wonderful Uncle Norman. I love this man to death and back to life.
Amen.
And back to death, life,
Amen.
and back and forth. But anyhow, this video is about alternative help. My uncle, I am one of his caretakers.
The major.
The major. I am one of his caretakers, and I decided, along with the other caregivers, we're givers, not takers. Let me rephrase that. We decided that we were going to take an alternative approach, a holistic approach to my uncle's health. So he is on cholesterol medicine, blood pressure medicine, water pills, and the list goes on. More pills than he wants to take, more pills than I want him to take, to get the pharmaceutical drug companies rich. We are not about that business. We're about the business of healing, and we wanted to take a different approach. So today I took him to a naturopathic doctor, and he prescribed some Ayurveda medicines for natural healing. So one of them, because he's been diagnosed with dementia, and that's the main thing, because he's very active in what he does. He bowls, he plays pinochle, and he's very active. So we don't have any problem with that. His memory is trying to fade away, and we don't want to hear that crap about it comes with the age. Because we're going to fight this thing to the end, right?
Yes, if you say so.
Tooth and nail, right? With Jefferson's, we fighting to the end, right?
Yes.
So today, he put him on. It's a mean green protein, okay? And this is to help him build his muscles up, his joints up, because when you get older, elderly people have falls, and falls contribute to a lot of other things. So that's the first thing he prescribed. The other, he has Vital Synergy for his heart and his blood circulation, and to lower his blood pressure. Now, he's not on a lot of milligrams. I think his milligrams is like 5 milligrams. It's low, but we want it down. We want it out. We don't want to use those drugs that have a lot of side effects. So, and he prescribed Bacopa, and this is for his memory for dementia. So this is a start of something new. It was worth every penny, Uncle says. But what I wanted to ask you, Uncle, what do you feel about all this new change in your medicines?
Well, I'll let you know 6 months from now.
Okay. So
I like the approach. I've never really wanted to take a lot of pills, etc., etc. And I've always had some kind of something about what I'm 86 years of age, and I bowl. I could bowl every day. That's what I love.
Yeah.
And I can get in that out. And I walk around the treadmill. I walk and I pick up because I want to keep my arms straight. And I'm doing a great job with my niece. She's taking care of me all of the way, 100%, and I love it.
Well, Uncle, you're basically taking care of yourself, which is with you, because where you was living alone.
That's what the doctor said. He didn't want me alone.
And he didn't want you alone, and the family didn't want you alone. So that's why you're here. We're not here to take care of you. You can take care of yourself.
Right. That's what I felt like I could do at 1448. Hampton, Georgia. That's all.
And you were doing a fine job. You just needed a little assistant. And you needed someone there with you.
Well, age caught up with me, I guess they can say.
And so with this new change,
I'm hoping.
You're
All I
hoping?
can say is I hope.
Well, we won't have all the side effects. That's for sure. And I really
I get
believe
rid
it's
of it,
gonna be a change, and a good change,
I'm waiting
without all the bad, side effects that the pharmaceutical drug companies give with all those medicines.
I'm hoping that's really I spent my money for.
So,
Yeah.
do you think it was a well spent?
As I said, I won't know till this medicine take effect and show me that this is what's happening, Then I'll know.
Okay.
Until then, I'm hoping.
And so we started today.
Mm-hmm.
So today is the first day of our natural healing, heart, soul, body, the
January
Ayurveda way, and we're gonna see. We will keep you all posted on this new alternative healing. This is the way I do believe to go. Other than all those drugs that you really wasn't on, and you're on a low dosage. So I do believe that this is a win-win for us.
I hope.
For you, for us, we don't have to. We won't have to do this.
Right.
See, I was doing it on my own. I was giving them the berries. I was giving them plummogram. All those things, the natural things, the natural way. That's why I chose to go to a naturopathic doctor. I was giving him garlic. I was giving him, what else were we doing? We was already doing protein shakes because he was on my protein shakes, but now he got his own protein shakes, especially for him. And it's got coconut and moringa, hemp and pea, and it's got tons of stuff in here. I mean, I really do feel good about this, Uncle. I really do. I can't wait to see the progress.
Yep.
And we're on to something good here. I really do believe that. So he already started. So what did you think about the protein shake? I've already made him one. So what do you think about that?
One.
And I put strawberries in there because he loves strawberry shake. So what do you think about the taste? How was it?
Oh, it didn't taste bad.
It didn't taste bad. Okay, but what about this Vital Synergy?
I haven't had that.
Yes,
yet.
you have.
Well, I can
Then we
tell-
tasted,
Oh,
and we was like, it's a little bitter.
Yeah.
It was like,
We know what it's
So
all about after
But-
a couple of weeks of it. You'll see whether anything has changed.
And if it works, who cares about how bitter or nasty it is, right? If
Yeah,
it's working,
if
right?
It's working, then I'm
So
good.
the doctor wants to see him back in the bunk. The doctor said if he's feeling fine, that he may not need to go back and see him. Back and see him. We just stick to what we are on, but we'll see. We're gonna go from there, and
The thing is,
Take
when
it from
I
there.
run out of this, I gotta go back to him.
yeah, you have to go back to get the products because these
Right.
products come from his office.
From his office.
Yeah.
So I'll have to see him
Yeah.
in a month or so, and I'll let him know what is going on then.
Mm-hmm. So we are we're grateful that we're taking Uncle's health into our hands,
Mm-hmm.
and it's gonna be all good. It's all good, and he's gonna start his walking regimen today on the treadmill. He said 5 minutes every day on the treadmill. He's already lifting weights, so he's on to better health.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. All right. So I hope this video helps someone out to take their health into their own hands, and don't buy into the pharmaceutical drugs. It's very expensive. It has a lot of side effects. Take the healthy, holistic approach, whatever it is. I could have continued to do what I was doing, but I wanted to get a little bit more professional help, and I believe he is our doctor that we will be seeing from here on out. So this concludes our video. We will be uploading a video every Wednesday to to keep you posted where we are on Uncle's health. And Uncle, what do you got to say to the rest of the survivors?
Be good, have a good time, because we coming to you one time. I've had fun and still having fun. That's my thing.
Life is good. Life is golden.
Always.
Life is good. Life is golden.
Thank God.
And we're blessed.
Amen.
All right. Thank you, survivors. Stay tuned. Keep up with your health. Love on yourself first before you can take care of anyone else. We love you.
Love, and love.
Deuces. Peace out.
All right. All my meds.